Let me guess. You have watched a lot of coding videos, but when you sit to solve questions, you still get stuck. You started with one playlist, then someone says, "This is better." You switch. Then another video, another teacher, another approach. And slowly, without realizing, you are not learning, you are just consuming. Week passes, sometimes months. But the main pain point is when relatives and neighbors starts asking about placement, and then someday you open a question to solve, and you are just blank. Nothing clicks in your head. That's where most students start doubting themselves. Maybe coding is not for me. But let me clear one thing: it's not your fault. You were never given a clear path. Hi, I'm Jenny, and from last 15 years, I have been teaching core computer science subjects: DSA, data structure and algorithm, programming, fundamentals, operating system, DBMS, and I have seen this exact pattern again and again. Students who are sincere, who are ready to work hard, but still stuck because they don't know what to follow, and slowly they lose confidence. Not because they can't do it, but because the system around them is scattered. And that's exactly why Jenny's lectures was built. Not just to add more content, but to give you a clear, structured path, clear each and every doubt from starting to end. Here, you don't jump randomly between topics. You start from basics, even if you have zero background knowledge, and move step by step towards advanced concepts. Complete Java, complete data structure, projects, explained in such a way that you not just watch, you understand and you enjoy the beauty of coding. With almost 500 plus hours of structured content, quizzes, assignments, projects, lead codes, placement questions, here you don't you are not just guessing that what to do next. And most importantly, you are not alone in this journey. You will get access to a dedicated WhatsApp group, live doubt sessions. So whenever you have doubt, whenever you feel stuck, you have directly me to contact to guide you. I'm just one message away from you. Just imagine sitting with a question, but this time you know how to approach it. Not because you memorized, but because you understand now. You understood, you know the concept. And that's the shift. You do not need 10 resources. You need one clear path, and most importantly, the discipline to follow it. So, if you are serious about your coding journey, you can check out the link of my DSA with Java course, which is given in the description box of this video, and use coupon code Jenny30 to get extra discount, 30% discount. So, you will get this course at around 6K, which is originally around 9K. Okay. So please go through this website. The link you will get in the description box of this video. Go through everything what I post, like what you get. Okay. You will get my notes, PPTs, everything, and quizzes, assignments, many things. And you can download everything. Okay. So please go through the content first. Okay. Then decide you have to go for this course or not. Just don't stay stuck in the same cycle. Start and complete one path. So the link of this course, coupon code and every other details you will get in the description box of this video. Go and check out. So hopefully I'll see you in the course. Till then, bye bye. Take care.